what we need.
Gonna be amazing for us.
You start all of my arguments. Why? Your book. So you have all the answers, don't you?
What, you don't want people to know we have a problem? What happened to you?
What's your definition of good hair?
Somebody looks relaxed and nice.
If your hair is relaxed, white people are relaxed. If your hair is nappy, they're not happy.
Just yesterday, my daughters came into the house and said, Daddy, how come I don't have good hair? I wonder how she came up with that idea.
Within the black community, if you have good hair, you're prettier or better than. The lighter, the brighter, the better.
They want to go like this, like Farrah Fawcett.
There's so many pressures to straighten your hair.
Look at my ring, still there? Relax is the chemical that will take a black woman's hair from this and change it into this.
It's kind of like a torture session.
Could you tell us how
Dangerous relaxer is.
Sodium hydroxide will burn through your skin, so that can's got a good curve.
The whole side was knocked off, and that's how the asymmetrical look came in with all that.
So you saying your hair is addicted to relaxer?
I am on the creamy crack.
Creamy crack.
So what's in your hair now?
This is a week. This is a week. 2 pieces here. Get a like extension.